Hello to the 3 viewers that are watching this video right now. Me and my friends are going camping tomorrow, so I think I'm gonna cook some sous vide steak for them. I'm headed to Costco right now. Yeah, it's always exciting going to Costco because you don't know if you're gonna spend $80 there or $800. But I'm telling myself today I'm only gonna get what I need, which I usually do for all my other visits, but I know I told myself that I will only get what I needed. I'm gonna be honest, the cast iron skillet was not on that list, but it was something that I was looking for. So, is it justified? Probably not. Filet mignon. Oh, I'm so tired. Oh, pepper. Hold on. Yeah, this thing's pretty cool because you can like get this app and like you can like set the time and stuff on your phone and the temperature. Pretty neat, huh? I'm gonna cook for 4 hours just because these cuts are pretty thick. But I'm excited for tomorrow. Hi, so anywhere in the forecast did it say it was gonna rain overnight? And I left my shoes out because I cleaned them. Yep, they're soaked. Frick. Of course this happens to me. Now I need to put that on my car. And I am late as usual. That took longer than I thought. I'm gonna try not to use my phone during the trip, but also I really like listening to music, so a little throwback.
There is a way.
always
No, we fold down the seats and then we can all sit shotgun on each other's laps.
Do not underestimate the Kia Sorento.
Ah, yes! It's recording?
Yeah.
Can I add a stop to me?
Yeah.
Oh, Ford Ranger.
Never was so nice.
McDonald's. McDonald's.
What is this truck, man?
Is it parked?
I think so.
Yeah, I think they're doing like
Dude,
yard work.
something is wrong with flogging on drivers. The TikTok or YouTube?
TikTok, I think.
TikTok. Give it to me, oh.
What is
Me.
Give him to me.
I think I woke up at like 5 and it was like raining outside.
Yeah.
The first thought was, oh my god, my shoes are outside. And it wasn't like I saw the forecast.
It's not supposed to rain?
Yeah, it wasn't supposed to rain.
That's what I thought. I got a car wash. Enough trade, man.
Maybe that's why. It's because you got a car wash, it rained.
Actually, though.
Every time I drive on the road, all I can see are Lexus GX.
One day we'll all get an overlanding vehicle.
I was looking up Sorento overlanding vehicles. It does not exist.
Oh, is that why you're not laying down, Zeus? I'm in your spot.
Hey, puppy.
I was in the middle.
Hey, puppy.
Oh.
You pull up on the next picture, please.
Yes.
Thank you.
Could I get the bacon, egg, and cheese McGriddle?
Make that two?
The meal. Oh, 2 of those?
The meal?
Yes.
Can you get 2 of that?
Could I get nice caramel macchiato?
He would die.
What do you want?
We're getting the same thing, right?
Yeah.
2.
Sausage McMuffin.
Yeah, 2 of those.
With hash
And can I get 2 sausage McMuffins?
When I move, can you push Zeus to the side?
Yeah.
Just
Go.
move.
Zeus,
Just please not cooperating.
Yes, we did it.
Yes.
No, that's alright. Just leave it.
Oh, yes.
Yes. Oh, up number 2? Thank you.
Did they give us no ketchup?
Oh.
That's alright, just stick it. 여보세요?
Hash brown, number 1. Oh, it's hot.
동글동글한 병.
We have
Dude,
4.
there's no way you can eat that right now. Really?
아, 그거
It's not hot?
Yours is really hot. So
Oh, it's just this one.
가스야 그거. 그냥 거기다 놔둬 엄마.
This one is like they just took out of the fryer or something.
I got 2 hash browns. Oh, you got 2.
Gotta show them the hash brown.
wait, we have
Beautiful that looks.
2 more.
2 medium ice caramel macchiato.
Yes, and can we get more ketchup?
Ketchup? Yeah, I'll be right out with that. Thank you.
2.
Oh, yes.
And then,
2?
oh, yeah.
Yes.
Why is it like not, it's so bright?
Maybe it's the shirt.
Oh.
Just kidding. I have another big purchase to make.
Green.
How's it going?
Last night.
L-E-E.
L-E-E.
It's like what?
L-E-E.
I don't have one for that. Is it camping or day use?
Camping.
Camping?
Oh, that's different. Check-in time is at 2 o'clock.
Yes.
Yeah.
Chris Lee?
Yes, that's me.
Okay, I'm not sure they're empty yet.
That's fine.
We can just drive around until they're empty. Oh, we can't?
No, like I said, check-in time is at 2 o'clock, so you need to come closer to 2. How many do you have in the car?
4 people.
I should have just hid.
Did you use a Parks card?
Yes.
Okay. That's okay. You're not charged for it. There you go.
All right, thank you so much.
Okay.
You too.
She was kind of rude.
Yeah.
It's okay.
It's because we're Asians.
God. America, do better.
I think we're all the way back there.
Nice.
These are a little good.
Ooh, look at that.
Ah.
This is us.
And there's a garbage bin right next to us. This is us?
Yeah, that's us.
Should I back in?
It doesn't matter. Nice. I like this view, dude. Yes, sir.
Good stuff,
Wow.
boys.
Ooh, look at this view.
Are we jumping off?
It's closed off.
Straight into the rocks?
Oh, frick.
Is it? How do we get back up?
Climb. Use those rock climbing skills Jade taught us.
Actually, we can actually jump right into the water in this edge.
Holy crap.
If we wanted to, we could like hop in right here. Yeah. But getting back up would be
Yeah, it'd be hard. Dang, this is a nice little point though.
Yeah, I like it.
Oh my god, it's hot.
Yeah, I'll change.
You know, but
You don't want to
puppy. I guess so.
Got a nice setup going on.
Hello.
We're just waiting for Tim to finish pooping.
Yes, one sip of coffee.
You all see that?
Man, what a beautiful man.
That's what I'm trying to grow it into.
Have a real man.
It's gonna take like 12 more months.
Ready.
You look so different from
Oh,
like.
dude, I was sweating in there.
Zeus.
I just shake hands.
Zeus and Little's booties. So we went on this trail, and we found those are the people. We found a parking spot for that trail, and we just realized the middle trailhead is right next to our campsite. So
Back to the campsite. Go.
I think we're just gonna make burgers for lunch, and then try to find that trailhead. Dude, maybe we need butterflies on our car too.
Is that the missing piece?
Yeah.
It might be like kind of big, you know? But I don't know if this is enough.
It
Do you want me to open this one?
shrinks a little, right? In the can.
Should I do half of this and save the race? Pants on your shirt.
Oh, freak.
You want to salt them?
Yeah.
Let's go. I'm gonna fuck as well.
Mmm.
Dude, I get my coffee from Addison Coffee Roaster. They're one of the most famous roasters in DFW.
You're getting right. You got this coffee going?
It was, I think, roasted.
With the Wrangler too?
Dude, that's the dream.
Come on. Okay.
So it's in 10 years?
5 years, come on. Let's do it.
It's a great shot of Tim right now.
It's heat resistant.
Yeah.
Is that it?
Shoot.
Yeah, I didn't know how big.
You can also lower.
Oh yeah.
There we go.
Oh yeah. Is it hot?
Yeah. Let's try it. Should we put oil?
Yes. Okay, it's not ready.
It's not ready.
We should put it whenever it's ready.
More oil or not?
Do it.
Do it.
Oh yeah. Let's go.
You have the gloves?
Oh yeah.
Done? Yeah. You show the camera that it jiggles.
The focus.
Really focused?
There. Good.
Tortilla. So unsatisfying.
you.